Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Claudie Cooks. Today we're cooking some healthy, finger-licking, delicious spare ribs. And here are our lovely ingredients, which will be listed in the link below for you. Got just under 1.5 pounds of pork spare ribs here, and to that I'll be adding some garlic granules, black pepper, onion granules, paprika. I've got two types of paprika. One is more kind of sweet paprika and the other one is smoked, and I've got some hickory smoked salt here and some ginger and 3 cloves of garlic, and I'll be using some of this. Let's start by grating the ginger and the garlic. Time for some flavor, but we're going to go easy on the salt. So I'm going to use 1/4 teaspoon of the hickory smoked salt on this. Followed by smoked paprika and sweet paprika. Next up, it's the onion and garlic granules. And here is a new family favorite, the Barbacoa seasoning. It adds a wonderful barbecue flavor to the food when you use it. Last but not least, some black pepper.
Shake it, baby, shake it.
Let's massage all those wonderful flavors into the spare ribs. Whoops, I almost forgot the green seasoning. Time to put it in the fridge to marinate for about an hour. It's time to make the glaze for the ribs. Let's start with some orange juice, some star anise, and some lime zest. Time to add the lime juice. let's add some ketchup and some gochujang. Followed by some barbecue sauce and some honey. Garlic granules and toasted sesame oil to add a bit of nuttiness to the glaze. Heat the pan on medium-low and stir until it's dissolved. Cover and simmer for about 5 minutes. Time to take it off the heat and set it aside. I've lined a baking tray with some foil and now I'm spraying it with some extra virgin olive oil. Time to put the ribs on the tray. Once they're all lined on the tray, give them another spray with some of the oil. It's time to cover the ribs with some foil and place them in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's about 71 degrees Celsius. And I'm going to cook this for about an hour, and then after an hour, I remove it, turn it over, and then put it back in the oven for another hour. Cooking it this way will make the meat fall right off the bone. This is after 1 hour, and now we're going to turn it over, cover it, and put it back in the oven for the next hour. Yes, it's the 2-hour mark now, and now we're going to use the glaze and we're going to glaze those babies. Once the glazing is done, put them under the grill for 2 minutes on each side so they can get a bit charred. There you have it, guys, my delicious and finger licking healthy spare ribs. Oh my goodness, doesn't that look delicious? And look at the wonderful sauce in the middle for you to keep dipping your ribs in. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and hit that notification button so you won't miss whenever I upload a new video.